The Aam Aadmi Party clearly taken aback but ecstatic, understandably. Arvind Kejriwal is now going to be out on bail. This is not interim bail. He's got bail from a lower court. What does this actually mean? Well, for Delhi politics, it means that he's back in business as the chief minister starting tomorrow itself. Atishi was to sit on a fast unto death, keeping in mind the water crisis which the national capital has been facing. Delhi has been locked in a political fight with neighbor Haryana, the neighboring government of BJP, over water, where Delhi has alleged that Haryana is not letting enough water, or as mandated by a memorandum in 1994, allowing that much water as well to come through. And on that, Atishi was to sit on a fast, but everything changes from now on, viewers, because Arvind Kejriwal will, in all probability, walk out of jail tomorrow. He's to give a bond of 1 lakh rupees, and in all probability, we are looking at, in the afternoon, Arvind Kejriwal walking out on bail. This is huge. The ED on its own will be moving in for a stay. Let's listen into reactions and we'll cut across to reporters.
आज मैं माननीय कोर्ट का धन्यवाद करता हूं, माननीय जज साहिबा का धन्यवाद करता हूं। मुझे यह लगता है कि आज का दिन ये साबित हुआ, जो अरविंद केजरीवाल पहले दिन से कह रहे थे कि ये भ्रष्टाचार की जांच नहीं हो रही है, ये अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को, आम आदमी पार्टी को बदनाम करने की साजिश की जा रही है। आज जो अरविंद केजरीवाल डे 1 से कह रहे थे, आज साबित हुआ। माननीय कोर्ट ने दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी कर दिया। भ्रष्टाचार कहीं नहीं है, झूठे खेत में सभी नेताओं को बताया गया है। तो अब दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी देश के सामने है।
इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट के उन तमाम बयानों को जो कोर्ट में आज दिया गया इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट की तरफ से, उसको किस तरीके से, और कहीं ना कहीं अब आम आदमी पार्टी के संगठन को बल मिलेगा, क्योंकि राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर
देखिए, जो ये वकील उनके ये कहानी बता रहे हैं, अब देश की एक एक जनता को याद हो गया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में वही कहानी, हाई कोर्ट में वही कहानी, लोअर कोर्ट में वो कहानी। अब उसका वकील शुरू करता है, जनता के साथ अब ये कहने वाला है। तो कहानी के बुनियादी पे आप किसी को परमानेंट बंद नहीं कर सकते, कुछ दिन तक रख सकते हो। आज ये साबित हुआ कि पूरी की पूरी कहानी भारतीय जनता पार्टी को रची गई। ईडी किरदार था और वकील वही कहानी कोर्ट में कह रहा था। आज जो बेल मिला है, इससे ये साबित होता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पहले दिन जो कह रहे थे कि ये केवल फंसाने की साजिश है, पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा लेने की कोशिश है, आज वो साबित हुआ।
ठीक है, बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
Colleague Nalini back with us. We also have Aishwarya who's joining us from the ground, and as well as Amit Bhardwaj tracking all reactions coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. Nalini, once again, take us through, a vacation bench under Judge Nyay Bindu giving in bail to Arvind Kejriwal as well. In all probability, he will walk out tomorrow after giving a bond of 1 lakh rupees. What does this mean legally for Arvind Kejriwal?
Well, Preeti, it's a big win. I'll tell you why. Because under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the reason why everybody says it's a very stringent law, it's very difficult to get bail, is because bail can be granted only when it's proven that the accused did not have any involvement in the entire money laundering aspect. So the fact that the trial court has granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal in the ED case, under the PMLA case, means that Arvind Kejriwal's involvement in the Delhi excise policy case itself is questionable, which might lead to larger ramifications in the entire Delhi excise policy case, because the ED has claimed that Arvind Kejriwal was the kingpin. So if the kingpin itself, his prima facie, it is not proven that he was in the know-how of everything that was happening, then it might mean that the entire case might fall apart. The second important thing that the ED has to do, something that even the Supreme Court has questioned them on, is proving that there is a money trail and showing the chain of events through which the money trail actually transpired. So as to whether or not they have been able to do that in Arvind Kejriwal's case, there is a big question mark on that now because of this trial court order. Like I told you earlier, it's tomorrow that we are expecting for the detailed order of the trial court to be out. So we still have to understand to what extent ED has been able to prove its case before the trial court or not, or on basis of what reasons bail has been granted to Arvind Kejriwal. Like I was telling you earlier, there might be a factor in play about about the fact that Arvind Kejriwal is still not resigned, and the Delhi chief minister is currently in jail until he is released on bail. So that might have played a factor on the vacation judge to grant him bail so that the regular functioning of the national capital can continue unhindered. But we still have to wait for the detailed order to be out. Also, it will be only tomorrow that we can expect Arvind Kejriwal to walk out of jail, walk out of Tihar jail where he is currently lodged. But at the same time, the ED will also be moving really quickly to file an appeal before a higher court challenging his bail and to seek a stay on the bail order as early as possible. That can only be done once a detailed order is out, but we'll have to wait and see exactly how the things proceed in the coming few days because there are going to be fast-paced developments.
Well, fast-paced developments. Will the CBI also move in? But not only the question that I was asking you earlier, and we're going to cut across to Aishwarya as well, who's joining us outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. But, Nalini, very quickly, even if the CBI moves in at this point of time, the case is very different where the PMLA ED case is concerned and vis-a-vis the CBI.
Well, absolutely, Preeti, because the ED is only going to be investigating the money laundering aspect, whereas the CBI is going to be investigating the larger corruption angle as to whether or not there was any actual corruption when it comes to the Delhi excise policy case. But what remains to be seen is whether or not they actually go ahead and pull Kejriwal into the CBI case right now or not, because still now he is not an accused in the case. But that is something that we see often happening. If you remember, even when P. Chidambaram had gotten arrested in the INX case, immediately after he was arrested by the CBI, the ED had soon moved in to arrest him and take him into custody. So he had to go back to jail almost immediately under the ED case. So it remains to be seen as to whether or not a similar pattern is followed, even in the Arvind Kejriwal case.
Not only this time,
the CBI has still not acted
this time, contrary to Chidambaram's arrest, the sequence of events are different, and that will play a huge factor because it's way easier to get bail in a CBI case right now on the same case than an ED PMLA case. So a huge difference there. I'll cut across to Nalini on that. I'm going to go to now Aishwarya joining us in front of the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Aishwarya, the AAP cadre and the leaders will be taken aback by the end of day. They were planning to put up a tambu somewhere in Jorbagh, somewhere in the south of Delhi, Jangpura if I'm not wrong, so that Atishi could sit on a fast unto death, protesting the water crisis in Delhi, and suddenly they have some fabulous news coming their way. Okay, we don't have Aishwarya. Amit, do you want to take that question?
Yes, Preeti, absolutely. As I was saying, this is possibly the moment when Aam Aadmi Party was least expecting the bail of Arvind Kejriwal, and they were more troubled and busy with the questions of governance in the national capital, including the water crisis. And that's why the Atishi, the water minister of the national capital, had announced to go on indefinite hunger strike, satyagrah from tomorrow. But today, things have just changed. It is the biggest relief for Aam Aadmi Party, and at a time when they were hardly expecting this. Why I'm saying this? Because in case of Sanjay Singh as well, or rather there has been a perception within the Aam Aadmi Party that the lower court will reject your bail. Then you'll have to approach the Delhi High Court. There will be no relief from Delhi High Court either, and eventually you'll have to approach the Supreme Court, from where you might get some sort of relief, and that has been a pattern. You look at Sanjay Singh's case, what happened, what kind of observations were made till the Delhi High Court, and eventually he got bail in the Supreme Court. So Aam Aadmi Party was not expecting any kind of relief, to be honest, in this particular case from the lower court. But the lower court has given bail to Arvind Kejriwal. He is expected to walk out of the jail tomorrow at a bail bond of ₹1 lakh. And now what we are given to understand that the leadership of Aam Aadmi Party is rushing to CM residence, and where I'm actually heading to right now, Sanjay Singh, Dilip Pandey, Sanjeev Jha, all these leaders have already reached CM residence. It is to be seen as to whether Sunita Kejriwal will speak, because definitely this is the moment least expected by any of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and it comes barely 2 weeks after the results of the Lok Sabha have been announced. So we have to note out here that when Arvind Kejriwal had stepped out earlier, it was on special conditions so that he can campaign during the Lok Sabha elections, but this time this is a regular bail that is being given to Arvind Kejriwal. Back to you.
Well, for the Aam Aadmi Party, this is huge. Bhagwant Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister, tweeted a short while back, and he says, Adalat par bharosa hai, Kejriwal ji ki zamanat, satya ki jeet. this is going to be now the narrative which, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party will play. But where politically speaking, viewers, kid you not, this is the toughest time that Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party is going through. The showing in the Lok Sabha has been far from adequate for the Aam Aadmi Party, and there'll be a lot of stock taking. Amit Bhardwaj has some more news. Go ahead, Amit. Amit, you wanted to say something? Okay, we don't have Amit. Right now, we're going to try and cut across to Amit Bhardwaj. But, viewers, like I said, this politically is a time of stock taking for the Aam Aadmi Party. The Lok Sabha showing for the Aam Aadmi Party was far from adequate, like I pointed out. All 7 seats where the national capital are concerned, the Aam Aadmi Party fought with the Congress, lost all 7. The Aam Aadmi Party fought in 4 of those 7. 1 seat, the Aam Aadmi Party fought of Kurukshetra in the state of Haryana, the Aam Aadmi Party lost. That 1 seat that the Aam Aadmi Party fought in the state of Gujarat, the Aam Aadmi Party lost. Their showing, even in the state of Punjab, was far from what the Aam Aadmi Party would have wanted. So it is a time where the party's got its back towards the wall, but this is going to prove, at least for the political outfit and Arvind Kejriwal, a huge, huge boost.